think I'd go for the hiccups. It'd be so unfortunate though.
It would be.
Like it'd be some violent hiccups. You'd be lifting you off your seat.
For a whole while.
But
you can hide. Like, if you were sneezing,
right.
like about to sneeze, you would have to go out in public with that. But you can hide out for an hour.
For an hour, right. Okay, well.
That was good.
That's important. You know, what would y'all rather do? Would you rather feel like you're about to sneeze all the time or have hiccups for 1 minute every hour?